How to create this kind of a star? First we take a circle, then give a color according to your requirement. I give this circle has a gradient and changing the angle of gradient 0 to 90 degree. Then duplicate the circle, select both circle and use blend tool. Double tap on a blend tool and change the smooth color into specific step and write the value 1000 and press OK. Then we take a star, adjust according to your requirement. Then cut the star into whatever area you want to divide. Then select both set and go to the object, blend, and you can see here the step is replace spine. Click there. You can see that your star take a shape. You can also adjust the circle up to your requirement. Like big, you create circle more like a 3D. And this is your final output. Thank you for watching.